gotten so many questions about how to eat healthy and what to cook. And now I want you to remember this: healthy food does not have to suck. If you're choking back your meals, you're never gonna be able to stick to eating healthy, and I don't believe in that. So today I'm sharing what I'm cooking for my Saturday. I'm going to grill some monkfish that I just got fresh. And I'm also gonna share my secret steak recipe. I've never shared this before. So, I'm gonna start off by rinsing off my fish. I know some people just get right to cooking. And oh yeah, step one, put your gloves on. Wear some gloves. Ladies with the nails, put some gloves on. It will also protect your manicure. I like to rinse off my my fish and my meats before I cook, especially getting it fresh from the deli, because you don't know how long it's been sitting there and whatever it's been exposed to. I like to rinse off. So I like to give it a quick rinse to get the whatever sitting on top of the skin off, and set it on some paper towel to dry it off. So next I'm going to pat these guys dry and add some seasoning. Seasoning is the key to your food tasting good. Season your food. If you're making healthy food and you don't like it and your meals are just not tasty, that means that you need to season your food. Season your food. Now we're going to season our fish. So today I'm going to do some Himalayan sea salt and some adobo. So I like the flavors of adobo. I like using it as an all-purpose seasoning. So I'm going to do a little bit of Himalayan sea salt first as a layer. I do not use regular table salt. I like Himalayan sea salt. Do one layer of that, and then I'm going to do a layer of the adobo. So the adobo has sea salt in it, but it's not a ton. It's not gonna overpower your food. It's not gonna make your food super salty. So if you're not sure, start with a light layer. Try your food that way, and then next time, add a thicker layer. So I like adding a good layer of adobo. I love the way this tastes on fish. I'm gonna make a marinade for the fish. So honestly, after you season the fish on both sides, you can take it to the grill if you like. I actually have a grill basket that I'm gonna put it on, because not all fish can go directly on the grill without sticking. So I'm going to do a marinade today that you can use this on any fish. So we're gonna start with a little bit of olive oil, and I don't always measure everything. So if you're going to measure, I would say do a 4th cup, a little bit more, okay, depending on the amount of fish. So a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to do a little bit of red wine vinegar. Say that 3 times fast. A little bit of that. You don't need as much of that. Maybe like a tablespoon of that. Also, I'm going to use some coconut aminos. So I don't do any soy or soy sauce. I like coconut aminos because there's no soy, and the flavor is so much better. So it's like a soy sauce, but better and without the soy. So, and healthy food does not have to suck. I do not eat things just because they're healthy and they don't taste good. I'm not doing that. So you can do a tablespoon of the coconut aminos. I do a little bit more because I like it a lot, right? So next, we're going to add our acid. So we have some red wine vinegar, got our oil, we got our coconut aminos. I'm gonna add some lemon. Get a lemon squeezer. This was like the best investment ever. So I'm gonna put my lemon in the lemon squeezer. This separates the juice and the seeds, and it's so much easier. I'm gonna add half a lemon. These are smaller lemons, half a lemon. After lemon juice, I'm gonna add a little bit of Himalayan sea salt to the marinade. I know we season the fish, but we just wanna make sure, because once we put the fish and the marinade together, some of the seasoning can wipe off or rinse off. So I do like one little layer of Himalayan sea salt on top of the marinade, and then I'm gonna grab my whisk and whisk this together. So this is a general marinade that you can use on any fish. You can add different herbs, you can add rosemary, you can add oregano. Take this base and make it your own. So I've added my fish to a Ziploc bag. This is how I like to marinate. This is so much easier this way. So got my fish in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to pour my marinade over the fish. Now, because this marinade has lemon juice in it, do not let it sit for hours and hours because it will cook the fish. So I would say marinate this 15 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna let these guys sit and then I'm gonna head down to the grill.
It's about to go down with your boy Big B. Guess what, y'all? Look, this is a brand new fish basket. So if you're trying to prepare some fish on the grill, this might be the best way for you to go. Grab you one of these baskets, these grill baskets, where you put the fish inside the grill basket, and you'll prevent from burning your fish up because it's hard to cook fish on the grill because it sticks. You know what I'm saying? So this is a great way to where you can just pick it up and then, then you can turn it over like that. Yeah, but it goes down. That way you can get both sides evenly cooked, evenly fresh, evenly. It goes down. That's what I just gotta say. It'll just be evenly done. It goes down. Man, we up in here. We up in here doing a damn thing. Who you with? Peace.